Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to share with you the foods I ate that hugely contributed to muscle gains. I have today to a factory build muscle. You cannot be hypersized about your nutrition. In fact, it should be your top priority. Alongside your exercise, the choices you make in the kitchen are just as important as the choices you make in the gym. What you consume determines the quality of nutrients your food gets and whether or not they are enough to promote muscle growth and recovery. So which foods are best for muscle building? Continue watching until the end and I will tell you my top pick for promoting muscle growth. Number 1. Chicken breast. It's not a list of muscle building foods. If there is no chicken mind, you just a single piece of skinless, boneless chicken breast if already brimming with about 55 grams of protein. Moreover, it contains great amounts of B vitamins like niacin and B6, which are especially beneficial for active individuals. These vitamins help the body function optimally during workouts, which in turn maximizes muscle gain. Lastly, this no-brainer food is high in selenium, a powerful mineral that shields the body cells from free radical damage caused by your exercise. And the number 2, eggs. Eggs another classic example of bulking up foods. Eggs versatile and inexpensive, this poultry goodness is one of the best forms of complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids. Amino acid leucine in particular is essential for post-exercise muscle recovery. Also, other nutrients like choline, good fats and various kinds of vitamins are present in eggs, all of which help in boosting your fitness goals. Speaking of versatility and affordability, that's just as beneficial in growing muscles. Another great candidate is number 3, tuna. Tuna is a protein powerhouse containing just about 42 grams of protein, and when compared to terrestrial animal protein, this fatty fish's protein is extremely lean. In addition to its hearty amount of protein, tuna is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are not just exclusive for heart health benefits but also the development of muscle mass and strength. Furthermore, tuna has high amounts of vitamin A and several B vitamins, nutrients that are essential for optimal energy and fitness performance. And the number 4 is nuts and seeds. The two great sources of plants-based proteins, carbohydrates and healthy fats are nuts and seeds. Peanuts, for instance, have higher amounts of leucine that many other plant products can also make an excellent way of getting some extra calories if you are struggling with putting on weight. For the seeds, the main representative when it comes to muscle health and maintenance is pumpkin seeds. They are high in vitamin K, which has been found to play a role in muscle maintenance and recovery and bone health. And the number 5 is beans. There are many different types of beans. The popular varieties being black, pinto and kidney beans. All three are rich in protein. They are also an outstanding source of leucine and amino acid that are utilized by muscles to supply energy during workouts. Additionally, beans are high in vitamins, minerals and fibers, all of the while having low fat content. Plus, they are really economical, so you won't have to worry about breaking the bank to add them to your regular diet. And the number 7 is quinoa. Quinoa is the queen among plant foods. That's because it's one only the plant foods that offer all 9 essential amino acids. It also has added benefits of a plethora of nutrients including iron, magnesium, fiber, calcium, B vitamins, vitamin E, and the list just goes on. Really rich in carbohydrates. Eating quinoa will surely fuel your body to perform your workouts. Magnesium particularly aids in the function of muscles and nerves. And the number 8, Spanish. Spanish contains a phytosteroid called active steroids, which can increase the production of protein and muscle in the building. Additionally, this leafy green has nitrates which in small doses have been shown to benefit the body. For starters, nitrates stimulate two proteins in the body that assist in releasing calcium. This is good because calcium is essential in muscle contraction, ultimately resulting in more strengthening and toning for the muscle. And the number 9 is yogurt. This powerhouse of food is well loved snack by many, especially among fitness and bodybuilders. Free of carbohydrates and chock full of protein, yogurt is incredible at supporting those muscle building goals of yours. It contains vitamin D, which helps in the absorption of calcium and phosphorus. Instead of the regular yogurt, get the plain Greek one for an even rich protein food source. Try to avoid flavored yogurts as they are often laden with surgery ingredients. Adding fresh fruits like berries in the ideal option. And the number 10 is grains. Now, oatmeal whole grains are an outstanding source of complex carbs, a micronutrients that the body needs for energy. Oatmeal is a nutritious filling food that combines a healthy mix of carbs, plant-based protein, fiber, and nutrients. If you can pick steel-cut oats since they digest slowly, allowing you to stay fuller for longer and maintaining steady blood sugar levels. And the number 11 is broccoli. We don't have many vegetables on our list. Well, there's Spanish and now there is a broccoli. Broccoli is not your usual protein-rich food that aids in the protein synthesis process. Rather, it works to weaken the production of estrogen. At the same time, it also strengthens testosterone's anabolic effects like muscle strength and growth. Lastly, broccoli is full of zinc, which helps amplify your T levels. If you are a fruit person, they had likely be happy to know about the next food, and which is avocado. Avocado is a high quality source of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated healthy fats. These creamy green treats help lower bad cholesterol and raise good cholesterol. My favorite part is in fact that avocado has the greatest amount of protein of any fruit, not to mention it's an excellent source of magnesium and potassium, which boosts both muscles and till the end of the video. Here is a little gift for you in the form of bonus content, telling you a little bit about my favorite muscle boosting food bonus and the skim milk. Many know of the milk as a high carb food, but wait, there is more. Skim milk is also low in fat, and because of this it makes a wonderful addition to your protein shakes. 1 cup has about 12 grams of carbs and 8 grams of protein. Thus, it's perfect as a protein/energy source. Eating foods that are excellent at promoting muscle growth is only one part of the whole muscle building journey. Another crucial thing you must keep in mind is the habits that are actually taking away your gains. Click this video to learn the things you must avoid or stop doing so you can see your gains increase exponentially. So guys, if you love this video, then like, share and subscribe.